Want to make restaurant-quality ramen at home? This easy chicken ramen recipe will take your taste buds on a delicious ride. Let's make it. Begin by boiling 4 cups of water in a wok. Once the water reaches a boil, add 1 kilogram of chicken to the wok. To enhance the flavour, add 1 small onion, 1-inch piece of ginger, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, and 1 green chilli to the wok. Season the broth with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the wok and bring the mixture to a boil. And simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is cooked through, remove it from the broth. Debone and shred the chicken, then set it aside. In the same broth, add 1 packet of ramen noodles. Add additional salt and black pepper to taste. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions, usually for 5 to 7 minutes. Be careful not to overcook, as this can cause the noodles to stick together. In a separate saucepan, boil 4 eggs to your desired consistency. To assemble the ramen, pour the hot broth in a bowl and place the cooked noodles over them. Prepare your choice of fresh vegetables, such as lettuce, corn, and carrots. Add your toppings, sliced shredded chicken, halved eggs, and vegetables. For an extra kick, add crushed red chilli and sesame seeds. Sprinkle some black pepper. Green onion. And if desired, drizzle chili oil or any other condiments of your choice. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, comforting bowl of ramen.